Chronic inflammatory disorder affecting the skin mucosa membranes has and is characterized by the flat-topped periodic violaceous papules and the plaques. Etiology: it's a cause unknown, thought to be an immune-mediated reception associated with the viral infection, hepatitis C, drugs, NSAID, beta blocker, and antimalarials, autoimmune diseases. Clinical feature: primary lesions are violaceous, polygonal, flat-topped papules are frequent stray, white lacy lines on the surface of the papules, more visible with the magnification or the application of the oil. Distribution: predilection of the flexor surface of the breast, forums, ankles, and the lower back. Mucosal involvement: oral, genital, reticulated white streaks, erosions, or the ulcer. Variation: hypertrophic, thickened plaques, usually on the shin. Atopic: thin, depigmented area, linear. Follow the lines of a trauma. Corner phenomena: villus vesicles or the bullae over the papules. Nail changes: longitudinal ridging, thinning or the pterygium formation, adhesion of the proximal nail fold. Hair involvement: scarring, elevation, the lichen, planopilaris. Diagnosis: clinical features and the distribution. Skin biopsy: hypergranulosus, sawtooth ridges, dense band-like lymphocytic infiltrate at the dermoepidermal junction. Screening for the hepatitis C is suspected. Management: topical therapy, corticosteroids, high potency for the skin, moderate for the mucosa, calcineurin inhibitor, tacrolimus for the mucosal lesions, systemic therapy, oral corticosteroid for the widespread disease, veterinarians, stratina, immunosuppressants, cyclosporin in the refractory case, supportive care, antihistamines for the pruritus, oral hygiene and the local anesthetics for the mucosal pain. Chronic inflammatory condition affecting the skin, mucosa, nails, and hair. Characteristic lesion: polygonal, flat-topped, violaceous papule with the becomes stray. Distribution: flexor surface of the breast, ankles, lower back, and the mucosa. Mucosal involvement: white lacy pattern, erosive in the severe cases. Corner phenomena: lesion appear at the site of trauma. Nail changes: thinning, ridging, or the pterygium formation. Histopathology: sawtooth ridges, hypergranulosis, and the lymphocytic infiltrate. Association linked with the hepatitis C and the drug reaction. Treatment: topical corticosteroid for the localized lesion, systemic corticosteroids and the retinoids for the extensive disease, tacrolimus for the mucosal involvement. Complications: scarring, elevation, lichen, planopilaris, malignant transformation, rare in long-standing erosive mucosal lesion.